Guys, today we will see the location of IAT sensor. What is its full form intake air temperature? IAT sensor is a pipe between your air filter or throttle body. Where it is mounted, mostly a sensor is found which is not mounted with any screw. It is fitted with a locking clip near our air filter. We can fit it by pushing and can open it by pulling. The sensor is also built in like this, that is, it works like this. Location hoti hai वहाँ से कौन दो sensors है muff sensor meaning monopole absolute sensor or pressure sensor, i.e. mess airflow sensor, in which the mess airflow sensor will be in the car. In us, there will be no separate IAT sensor built, but it will be the main sensor, mostly map sensor. The 5-tar is where the wire is of the IAT sensor, and the teen wire itself is of the IAT sensor, and in the car in which you see the teen wire walla sensor means manifold absolute sensor. The location of the IAT sensor in the used car will be separate, i.e. air. The vehicle always has 2 wires to the separate IAT sensor on the intake pipe between the filter box and throttle body.